Hey everyone, today in this episode I am going to show you how to embrace AI and become a creator in the future of marketing. We will discuss the traits of successful early adopters, the transformation of marketers into creators, and the impact of AI on organizational structures. So, let's dive right into it. To truly thrive in the ever-changing landscape of AI-driven marketing, it is essential to embody a set of specific traits that can give you a significant edge. At the forefront of these traits is a quality often underestimated: impatience. Those who move swiftly and decisively have a distinct advantage in this rapidly evolving field. They are not merely enthusiastic about marketing and technology, but also possesses a profound sense of urgency to continuously experiment and stay one step ahead of the curve. Take, for instance, the inspiring journey of Comal, a company that operates in the fiercely competitive security software industry. Comal didn't merely dip their toes into the waters of AI, they dove in headfirst. They initiated their AI journey by automating top-of-funnel processes using generative AI. However, they didn't rest on their laurels. Instead, they remained perpetually restless and committed to innovation. As a result, they now boast an astonishing app that provides invaluable support to their sales team through cutting-edge sales enablement solutions. This remarkable evolution was only possible because of Kamal's unwavering willingness to experiment with AI. They understood that to stay ahead, they had to constantly push the boundaries of what AI could do for their business. Their journey serves as a compelling reminder of how impatience, combined with a deep passion for marketing and technology, can fuel transformative progress in the AI-driven marketing arena. It is a testament to the power of embracing change, taking calculated risk, and staying firmly on the path of innovation in this dynamic landscape. In today's marketing, things have changed. Marketers now need to be creators. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Twitter really like creators because they keep people engaged. So marketers must become content creators who can tell good stories, build fan communities, and make money. These creators are like the new marketers. They do similar things but in a way that fits with today's tech and artificial intelligence. They focus on storytelling, data analysis, building online groups, and finding smart ways to make money. In a nutshell, creators are the leaders in modern marketing. They blend creativity with tech and data. Those who can be both creative and smart about technology are on a path to success in digital marketing, especially in the AI era. AI is a transformative force not only in marketing practices but also in the organizational fabric itself. Its influence goes beyond being a technological tool. It acts as a catalyst for collaboration and enhanced work efficiency. Teams are evolving into more agile units, taking ownership of the complete customer experience. Traditional silos between roles within organizations are dissolving as AI empowers individuals and teams to handle a wider range of tasks. This shift is particularly evident in marketing, where AI has become an indispensable ally. It democratizes access to valuable insights. Once the exclusive domain of data analysts, marketers now have the capability to interpret data in real time, empowering them to make informed decisions promptly. AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants are seamlessly integrated into both marketing and customer service teams, enabling swift responses to customers' inquiries and the delivery of personalized experiences, all within an integrated framework. In this new AI-powered landscape, organizational teams are not only more agile but also more adaptable, capable of swiftly responding to evolving customer preferences, changing market dynamics, and emerging trends. AI's automation's capabilities streamline routine tasks, freeing up time for creative thinking and innovation. This shift allows teams to continuously enhance the customer experience and remain agile in adapting to the ever-evolving demands of the market. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of how to embrace AI and become a creator in the future of marketing. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to navigate the evolution of content marketing in the age of AI. Thanks for watching, and I will see you into the next one.